signs of Sunday, and cast away the cards from us. Your leader secret to the devil shall laugh. Lord God, to Rastafari shall have them in his reason. For them till he speak unto them in his wrath, and vex to them in his soul his pleasure. Can you know I set thy kings upon the holy mountains of Zion? I will know the clear decree. Lord God, to Rastafari I said unto I and I, thou art thy sons in this day by the God. Now after fire and I shall give you the yield for thy inheritance, and the uttermost part of the earth for their possession. Yes! Break them with the rod of fire. Yes! Dash them in pieces like upon the flesh reality. So be wise therefore, ye kings, and be struck to thee for our judgment of the soul. Serve the Lord God, the Rastafari, fear and rejoice and tremble. Design I the sun unless he be anger, that perish from his ways with his wrath to spring the bottom lip. And so blessed be all, blessed be everyone, as I would say. And so blessed be all they that put their trust in the true and living God, the Rastafari. And this man shall be like the holy mountains of Zion that cannot be removed but abiding forever. Because so the mountains round about Jerusalem, and so the Lord of God, the Rastafari is round about his people in our state. The lot of the wicked shall not run upon his righteous, unless his individual righteous put forth his hands and doing it with him. So do good, O Lord God, to Rastafari unto them that are good, and unto those that are upright in their hearts. Because just when it's turned into his crooked way, you don't say. The Lord God, to Rastafari shall not turn his back to give a thumb to the right of his people. I mean, no come here, man, you tell you about the son of God, about the son you call it Satan, Masagon, Masagon. Say you want me about you, no banya. Say you no banya about you, banya. Can I no Satan make you banya? Can I no Satan make you banya? Cause if your mama never banya, can if your papa never banya, you are African, as I would say. In Africa, as I would say, say Africa, the Sata, Billy got to run the show, you got to go around, Billy on the phone. Then I've got to be a sister long and out. Give thanks. You know, righteousness exalt a nation, and sin is reproach to man. Yeah? So, we just say we have to pray for the people there before anything. So that's why we sing I Pray Thee. So it's a love and give thanks. 76 years, but I know today. The new in the line, action. with him wide. Right man, go forward. Right on. But don't you ride like lightning. Say man, if you ride like lightning, you crash like thunder. So come on down along the song and lead the way it I would play. Hey! Good English. The song that lead the way is I would really beg you. What is it? People. I keep on hearing a whole lot of say, keep on saying. I beg your pardon, what did he say? Oh, see, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't like that, said if you say so. And all I'm holding, so you got to live it up, I tell you, John, do it, John. You got to leave it up along the way. Goodness gracious! Good catch! So that I would say, I tell you, play, brother, play. Very cool musical bass company. Musical business, I would say. So come along the song as I would play. Yeah! 21 minutes. Where was all them boys when I was chanting? Move now! When I eat off the food from the trees that the high man planting. Said in every step, said his faith, oh faith, can move mountains. And I'm gonna wash my dread and I throw 3 times in the fountain. Now they said where was all them boys when I was chanting? Say the gun and no something for you ramp with. Watch it on the gun and no something for you play with. Cause it's not the size of the gun, but the fake of the bullet. Watching them a new style gun, if not baby can pull it. Say it's not the size of the gun, but the fake of the bullet. Watching them a new style gun, even a baby can play it. That's why they tell you, say the gun and not something for you play with. Cause it take too much innocent life. Yeah. Yeah, bless yourself. But I'm not going to rehearsal, but I'm not play good. Children of Christianity, and using all means of insanity to achieve vanity, robbing and stealing in the name of the Lord, and playing the game in the safe. You're not to 10 against 1. You're not to be 10 against 1. As I tell you to be 10 against 1. One man I don't like is a hypocrite. The other one I don't like is a hooligan. Babylon gone back fighting. So them got the going and fighting. It wasn't Rasta going and fighting. It wasn't Rasta or in a jungle. It wasn't Rasta the booming in Rima. It wasn't Rasta for singing yard. It wasn't Rasta the fire in Jonestown. It wasn't Rasta. So we want to ask in Babylon. You tell me why you're trimming up the jail. Long time you rob him of his language. No one why you rob him of his culture. So we say the table going turn. And watch it on the fire going burn. Stand it till we 10 against 1. I tell you till we 10 against 1. Going on the other side and how you go over. Feel so high, can't go over. Feel so round and you can't go around. Not to sing them songs of victory, but it not to sing them songs of love. So we not to sing them songs of glory. Oh. Then I sing it and I shout, not to set them free for I. Not to want to set them free for I. Then he walk up and talk to them about what not to go to. But you not to go to, but not to keep on keeping on. So they not to keep on shining on. I said they not to keep on getting on. So they not to hang on them. Say hang on them, say hang on them. Like all the singing as you dread now. So they not to hang on them, say hang on them, say hang on them. I will sing them songs of free food, not to sing them songs of free. Give me the mix. If you drink, don't drive. Just try to stay alive. If you drink, don't drive. Just try to stay alive. I know, my brother, that you're feeling bad, cause the girl you have done you wrong. But now's the time for you to be strong when things are going so awfully bad. Now the words around all over town that your main girlfriend done put you down. Let me tell you, brother, not the bottle ain't the answer. Keep your brain clean if you know what I mean. If you drink, don't drive. Try to stay alive. And if your girl is jive, don't drink, don't drive. Now you end up in bed, damn near dead. Bandages from your feet to your head. Lying like a stiff in a hospital bed. If you don't listen to what I say, laying there like a doggone fool, wondering what you gonna do. But let me tell you this, that girl you should resist, cause she's the cause of all of this. If you drink, don't drive. Try to stay alive. If you drink, don't drive. Try to stay alive. Said I was born in April and a Christmas in May. Sure I wanna see that shiny day. Rolling Jack, don't you come back no more, no more, no more now. Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more. When my mama got sleeping on my daddy saw it, said she going on to the funky chicken. Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more. When my mama went sad and my daddy gone mad, for the little children soon be sad. Hit the road, Jack. What the world needs now, love, sweet love. That it's the only thing that there's just to live for. What the world needs now, love, sweet love. No night, that's for sure, but for everyone. Hit the road, yeah. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, yeah. Don't you come back no more. Said I was born in April and Christmas in May. Sure I wanna see that shiny day. Hit the road, yeah. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, yeah. Don't you come back no more. When my mama got sleeping and my daddy saw it, said she going out to the funky chicken. Hit the road, yeah. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, yeah. Don't you come back no more. No boys, say that tibbity boom down there. It's a boom, it's a boom down there. Think about the brother, call my brother David, I would say, tibbity boom down there. My brother David, I would chase you. And I wouldn't know, but like I tell you, David slew him with a stone. David slew him with a marble stone, as I would say. Tibbity boom down there. Your mama got to be down there. Your papa got to be down there, as I would say. Each and every one of us has got to be down there. Got to come with love, as I would say. Love and happiness, as I would say. Hey! Tibbity boom down there. Tibbity boom down there. Come, we got chant down Babylon one more time. Come, we got chant down Babylon one more time. Oh, them songs, yes, them songs, no loss. So come, we got chant down Babylon one more time. Let's see their dreams and aspirations in front of their face, and all their wicked intentions to destroy the human race. But all I know, I read their music, we come to chant down Babylon with music. Yes, we have a chant down Babylon. We want to chant down Babylon. I am in the jungle.